Yeah, that's classic Windows problem. Every time when I'm starting streaming, my audio is kind of, I don't know, broken for some reason. Yeah, I just said hey to everyone. Yeah, yeah, you were supposed to hear me. I hope you hear me now. I see all those green bars. So yeah, I hope you hear me now. And yeah, basically what I said, today is my kind of last day working from home office because we are traveling tomorrow, all that stuff, and I have some. I don't really want to do all that bag packaging, all that stuff, so I decided, why do not jump on stream better instead, some kind of procrastination. And yeah, I still didn't decide which keyboard I will bring with me, or am I bringing keyboard with me or not, or I go with laptop only, do I need iPad, whatever, all that stuff. Even microphone, yeah. Which is the best typing experience, Logitech Mechanical or R75? Very subjective question, but with the Logitech Mechanics, if you like it, good for you. If you don't like it, you can switch, can change or switch switches in Mechanics, in that Luffy, how it was? Luffy, Nufi, yeah. In Nufi R75, those are hot swappable switches, you can change switches. Where are you going? I'm going to Spain. Yeah, good evening. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. So yeah, just jumping on kind of quick stream, little bit of development, a little bit of chat. We'll see how evening will go. I will be around for a few hours. That's it. And yeah. Yes, I am in Europe. To be more specific, I'm in North Europe. Yeah, actually, I would like to bring my microphone when I will travel, but not with my microphone arm. So many decisions to make. So I just do not skip them and do programming instead, you know. Yeah, I will do videos for sure. I don't know how much and all that stuff. And by the way, I'm trying to stream now using Restream. I'm kind of curious how that will go. I will check that in later in record. But it's kind of interesting. Is it work or not? Yeah, today no. This week I already uploaded crazy amount of videos on YouTube already, shorts, long form video, what else not. But I'm planning kind of to keep going in Spain as well. I don't know, maybe kind of less work related. Maybe those will be just some stories in Instagram from vacation. I don't know, we'll see how that will go. Okay, in which branch we are? Oh, I created branch native ads. Okay, that was what I wanted to test. So basically what I'm doing here, long story short, I removed ads from the app and then, oh, what was that, crash? Xcode, where are you? Hello. Where did my project go? Can I get it back, please? Come on, where it is? Xcode is opened. Okay, probably we'll need to kill it. Maybe it went on some virtual screen which I don't see. Hey John. Will you work on freelance work on vacation? No, I will not. Okay, I will little bit. I will do next week Monday, Tuesday, but then I have wrong project. But then I will do, that's my freelance project. But then I will do, but then I will have vacation from freelance project. Something like that, I don't know. Otherwise that will be crazy because we have quite heavy loaded kind of travel program with driving in between different cities, renting cars, I don't know, all that stuff. Basically we will be in more than one city in Spain. So that will be kind of too crazy to do freelance work as well. Takes buzzers. Hello, sveiks, yeah. Yeah, back when I was on this project where I'm working now, actually I have kind of very good contract. I have vacation days as well, so I'm happy with this project, I have to say. On long-term project that I was working before, there was I had contract for 27 hours work hours in a week. Basically those are about 2/3 of full-time job, and that wasn't bad because, you know, actually you can kind of if you're going crazy, you can fit those in 2 days, or you can work for about 4 hours every day in the week, and also kind of be done with all the kind of freelancing hours. That wasn't bad, but I didn't have vacation, so I had to basically work always on vacations. And yeah, and recently I'm kind of starting to go to vacations when I do not work at all, and that's kind of feels a little bit strange. No, I'm not going by car, but I will have a rental car in Spain. I'm flying to Spain because from Latvia to Spain, I don't know, it's a few days drive probably, if you are kind of doing that kind of with breaks and all that stuff. I don't know, driving some normal hours. Okay, we need another tab here. This tab is going here. Okay. And now I would like to see how do we do those native ads. And let's go Swift UI. I have done this from Estonia. Yeah, sure you can. I have done car trip to Italy, to Rome as well, but that was, I don't know, something like 30 plus hour drive, and we just went kind of crazy, 2 drivers, basically without stops, just, kind of Tankstelle in Germany to fill fuel, some kind of coffee breaks and kind of lunch breaks, stuff like that, but basically without sleeping. Doable, but a bit crazy. But yeah, you are still spending money on fuel. Okay, you don't need rent car at that end. Kind of saving there again. Yeah. If you have... I don't like Poland. No one likes Poland. In Baltic countries, Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, for us, all the West Europe is kind of next to us, but we have that Poland between us, right? I'm an Android developer interested to learn how to develop for iOS. Where do you recommend to start? I have learning resources linked in the probably every video that I'm publishing on the YouTube. You can check links there, but basically for iOS development there is good kind of course, 100 days of Swift UI. It's more kind of oriented on beginners, but as you are not beginner, for you that anyways you have to start with the same topics, kind of basic programming for iOS, all that stuff, you will just move way faster. So still the same, I will suggest the same resource. Banner ads, no, we don't need banner ads. You can just Google 100 days of Swift UI. That will be kind of good place for start. Okay, let's try without Swift UI. I do not see kind of native ads Android. Native ads playbook. In feed. Yeah, that's something that we are looking for. Is it available for iOS at all? Or that's all about Android? What is that? Android Google Ad Mod Native Ads Playbook. Okay, that's good. Native ads. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you're welcome, Rodalyn. Do you feel like you have to drop to UI kit a lot? No, I will not say so. It depends on project, of course, but oh, I see native ads for Java and for Kotlin. Come on. I'm looking for iOS. Are they even available for iOS? Loading and using SDK and applying content in your apps. Okay. Get started guide. Okay, but that's all about Android. Mobile ads. Okay, that's Android SDK. iOS. Oh, here is something native as well. Load and native ads. Okay, seems that is doable. Okay, we have Swift Objective-C. Fine. Loader delegate. Okay. Basically, on my projects, I'm using SwiftUI only on my indie apps. And frankly, I do not see kind of need to get back to UIKit. I'm not running in problems like that, but I could kind of imagine how that may happen. Native template. Okay, interesting. That's what we need. But on freelance projects, my freelance project is kind of big, old, and it's full of storyboards, and there are just that just makes sense to kind of use UIKit, you know, when you are kind of already in storyboards and kind of reusing already existing parts of the application, all that stuff. So often that is just more handy to use UIKit. But not because of limitations of SwiftUI, but because of legacy code. Will you be fully disconnected from work? Yes, I will log out from my Slack. Also, how remote work takes this sense. I understand in Europe you have more days off than in North America. I don't even know how much days off I have. I can take a look because I can't share that information, but I can take a look. Vacation. Okay. I'm just interested because I wanted to take a look how many days I have left. Okay, team holiday planner. Here it is. So hours in the list. So I had 6 days left from last year and I got 34 new days this year. So I have 40 days off this year because 6 from last year, but I'm getting 34 days in a year. Those are vacation days. Those are not kind of sick days or something. If I'm sick, I'm sick. You know, in Europe, if you are sick, you are not working. But 34 vacation days. And that's on freelance project. That's depends, you know, on you may have contract on freelance project where you're consultant and you're getting no vacation days at all. You're just kind of paid while you are working. I have contract with vacation days and I have so many vacation days, paid vacation days. Where are you going? I'm going to Spain. Do you think project manager experience helped to you as indie software developer? Yes. Yeah, I can talk about that, sure. So my background is project management first, then more like product management, and then already I was head of product. And basically what I did, I was in between sales, customer service, and programmers. Basically I had to kind of keep all of that working together and do not fight with each other, and also kind of help sales with meetings with customers, because sales do not really understand what they are selling. I'm always kind of technical part of this discussion, because I was working in payment industry and software development as well, and also we had kind of partners and customers which bought from us those payment devices, and usually those were banks or supermarkets where you have those POS systems with integrated payment devices. Basically I had to go and solve kind of technical problems on meetings, basically when we have, when we have some screw up, we have some bugs, or they can't integrate something, all that stuff, help with all of that stuff. That helped a lot, because I learned how to, talk with customers, talk with, with people, all that stuff, I got a week in Canada. Canada was a bit better, right? Stream is lagging, really? Sorry, yeah. It's I'm streaming currently on the Restream.io. Oh, let me take a look. Can I see how it looks? Restream.io, some dashboard. Restream. Oh, Faline, hello. Cheers. Do we have any dashboard here? Yeah, it shows that it's kind of stream quality is fire, not great. Bitrate shows yellow. Is it too much? What the hell that means? So it shows that bitrate is yellow, but what they like? More, less? Is it good enough? A little bit unclear. So, I don't know, probably too much or too little data. Where are you from originally? Originally, I'm from Latvia, Lettonia. You didn't get notifications about what? Stream notifications or? You have hit rate 6 times with whiskey. No, I don't know. My alerts doesn't work and I do not see those notifications. Sorry. But yeah, hit rate, let's do, yeah. Sorry. It really depends on company. Yeah, I see. Here as well in Europe, that depends on company and depends on local kind of requirements and limitations, all that stuff. And we in Latvia we have 28 vacation days, so my 36 is kind of a little bit extra. Oh, hey Luca. Planning to visit Poland? No, I will fly over it. We just discussed it with Vadim that from Estonia or from Latvia, driving to Spain or somewhere like that is kind of easy peasy, not a big deal. But Poland, if we don't have this Poland in the middle, that will be way more easy. Okay, native add templates. Oh, so nice. Templates for native apps are in Objective-C. Oh my gosh. Oh, really? installing the native ad templates. I don't really want to. Okay, do we have any kind of library for that? Native ads, Swift UI, maybe there are even something third party. Have you been working for the same company all these years? No, I switched a few companies, but I had kind of quite a few smaller kind of gigs and freelance kind of gigs and all that stuff, but I was working for two relatively big companies, relatively long period of time. Yeah, that AdMob, it's kind of tricky. I'm looking now into the possibility to add native ad and test it to see, will I see big difference or not? If those numbers will be still low, then it doesn't make sense to kind of play around with it. But I was told that application, which is kind of more or less not in the same niche, but basically also kind of indie application with some amount of, okay, how much there was? More than 100,000 active users making 2.5K in a month. So I don't know. Sounds that I could do a few hundreds at least in a month from ads. I don't know. I would like to test the theory. I'm not saying that I am kind of going to keep those ads in the application if I will be able to make, I don't know, 200 euros. It's kind of, yeah, it's money. For example, I earning way less from all the streams and YouTube videos, but I'm not sure if I want ads in applications just for that, but I don't know, we'll see. Just Poland takes about 10 hours to get out. Yeah, exactly. Poland is huge. Can I ask you about black people? I don't know, depends. 2K per month in iOS. What do you mean, wow, for 2K? I said that guy making about 2K, 2.5K on ads only in iOS. Okay. Native ads, AdMob. I would like to see if I can get together something. AdMob banner ads. No, AdMob banners are easy. AdMob native ad in Swift UI project. That's more interesting. I mean, that's high, that road is very... Okay, that depends how many users you have in the application. If you have 100,000 users in application, you can get, I don't know, whatever you like. What's that? Community, AdMob help. I don't really want to be first person who integrates that. Now Stack Overflow better. How many of you watch videos using adblocker? Everyone. Tomorrow big trip on motorcycle. Oh, that's cool. Very exciting. Yeah. So enjoy your trip then, yeah. And see you in August. I will be back in August only. try to use code here. Okay, another link to another code. I just followed your channel recently. Great content. Thank you very much, Gabor. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, here's some view controller with example. That's better, at least not Objective-C. Why they have Objective-C examples in documentations? Are they drunk or what? Oh, Hassan also from Estonia. Hey, hello. Okay, here is view controller. Sure, for UIKit I see that we just discussed it, that no, you don't need to file back to UIKit too often. Oh. Thank you, Vadim. Our native adds something new in AppMob. I don't think that's something new. What's the difference between interstitials or banners? Banners is kind of small thing in the application. Let me see if I have it running. Here is banner. Banner is this small thing. Oh, hey, Rafael, hello. The coder coding, yeah, exactly. The banner is this small thing in the application. You can click on it and then that banner will be opened. That Interstellar, that is basically full screen ad. Those are horrible. I don't like to use them, and I don't like when anyone using those in applications. No, that's not cool. But there are another thing in the middle, those native ads. But I'm looking into documentation, and that is, I don't know, Objective-C examples. Why? Yeah, enjoy your lunch, Paul. Enjoy your lunch. Okay, and likely that looks like kind of easy peasy task to do. Taking into account that examples in documentation are in Objective-C. Some examples that we can find in Stack Overflow are UIKit only, and application is SwiftUI. That will be tricky task. So probably not something quick to do on the few hours tonight. Maybe something to do during vacation. How you're taking clients. Let me see if this command will work on YouTube. I'm not sure. I will try. Oh, okay. Here it is. Probably you're getting it. Oh no, that is in Twitch chat only. Okay, let me copy that link. Copy that post. Here it will. Oh, maybe you see Twitch chat as well. Do you see that Nightbot message? Yeah, you should. Okay, but you can't click the link. Okay, I will do like that. Now it is posted in YouTube and in Twitch chats. Now you can click that link. Basically, take a look on that YouTube video. In that video, basically I covered all what I did, what I tried, and what was working and what wasn't working for me looking for freelance projects. And I'm not looking for clients for a while ago. Current client with whom I'm working now, they come to me and asked, am I available? I said, yeah, I am. And basically I finished a previous project and jumped to this one. Basically, I was working with them before. They had my contacts, they had work to do, they had money, and basically now I'm working with them for more than a year already. Can ad blocker be profitable? I don't know. I never tried to be in that business. I have no idea how they make money, to be frank. Yeah. Native advanced. What do you mean by ad blocking application? How application can block ads and where? I do not understand what you mean by ad blocker. You're asking, can ad blocker be profitable? And you're saying, I mean app. I don't know. I don't understand what you mean by ad blocker. What is that? What is the functionality of this application? Is this application blocking ads? Or you try to ask about, can ads in the application be profitable? Sorry, my English, but I really didn't understand. Oh my gosh, it's example in storyboards. Really? What is that? What the hell is that? There is storyboard. Really? Come on. I'm not going to do this. Aren't there some third-party library which is doing that for Swift UI? I'm not going to build ad banner in storyboards. Oh my gosh. How you tell step by step? Oh gosh, I'm doing that in my videos, in YouTube videos, not now on the stream. Sorry. Why does iOS Universal Links won't open apps from Chrome app? It's really annoying. I hate Apple sometimes. Links from Chrome app. So those are not deep links then, if they are not opening. How you given away more trust to starting the iOS Indie Dev Mastermind group after vacation in the August. I will be back in 3 weeks. Hey Laduk, hello. Hey everyone. I got the same computer as you, the MacBook Pro, 3 months ago and I really love it. Yeah, it's a great machine. I'm looking forward when when M3 MacBook Pros will come out. Just because more kind of GPU power would help for streaming and also, I don't know, more RAM a little bit maybe. What do you think I should do once I get my Google cybersecurity certificates? I would like to start a side gig one day. Any advice? I don't know how cybersecurity certified person can do side gig, but I assume that you can do some security audit, stuff like that, and offer that as a service. So I will think how to productize myself, and productizing means you should kind of create some package what you do. For example, you do that type of audit, this type of audit, you will give that type of report, and that will cost so much, and basically build few packages. So this package, that package, products like that, and then you should advertise yourself to get customers. So how to do that? Create content about that, talk about cybersecurity, all that stuff, and you should do not when you will finish and get your certificates, but right now, today, already. As soon as you will be done kind of watching the stream, sit down and write down not five, more. 5 is just too little. Okay, 5 is good start, but let's say 30 kind of topics about cybersecurity, what you already know. Whatever, those could be general topics. If you don't know what to write about, then go to the site Answer the Public, type in cybersecurity and see what other people are kind of searching and looking for cybersecurity. Write down those questions and start create content answering them. And content can be just written on the Twitter and Instagram threads, but better make videos, because videos nowadays is kind of way more popular, and if you will create vertical video, you can publish it on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, and you can publish it in YouTube Shorts. Basically answer those questions, talk about cybersecurity, and you will make your kind of name in that niche. And that's it. And then you have a business. And lead, from that content, lead audience to your website, and on your website you will have those product packages and services that you're offering. And I have zero understanding what cybersecurity guys are doing. Don't ask me about that. You should know that already if you are in the middle of getting certificate. But that's how you productize yourself, and that's how you sell the service. Like making an app which block ads. I have seen people paying for these apps. I don't know how. Yeah, there is ad blockers for browsers, stuff like that, Yeah, maybe. I don't know what is business model for that. Maybe paying for app, Yeah. If the default browser is not Safari, it won't open up from the deep link. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm using Safari as default. I don't think I will buy new computer for years now. Yeah, sure, it's a good machine, no need. Vertical video is devil, maybe. Hey Garota. I don't know. Whatever. It's handy to watch vertical video on phone. It's hard to make vertical videos, and it's even more harder if you make vertical and horizontal video. And when you're recording that clip, you thinking that, actually I would like to use it in both. For content creators, that's evil. Okay, I'm not going to build this in storyboards. Really? Why everything is so... Is it outdated or what? Why? Okay, take a look. Let's take a look on Interstellar just to compare, to see what is documentation here. At least we have Swift and Objective-C code. Okay. Yeah, it's very strange. Okay, let's go just to check what's going on YouTube. If we will go that native and on the mob, no, but not Unity, but Swift UI. Tutorial 2023 new 6 months ago. Okay, not bad. Atom Swift UI banner. That's not interesting. That's easy peasy. I have it. Swift UI banner. We have it. Easy peasy. Interstellar. 3 years ago. Capsot good actually. Very good channel. Oh, you're welcome, Declan. And that thing about kind of productizing yourself, that is not applicable only to cybersecurity, as you may understand, all the others who are interested in that. Because I have no idea what exactly do cybersecurity experts, but I know how to productize that and start selling and advertising. And basically you can do that with any other service. seems that I will need to watch all those videos. Video podcast setup. How that's related? Add banner. Add banners are easy to implement. I don't really understand how those native ads works. Okay, we are kind of registering up all that stuff. Oh, that's SwiftUI project. Kind of cool. Test ads. Okay. Loader. Add loader. I guess I have add loader already. I kind of expected that we will be able to quickly read documentation and understand. What? That storyboard again. Why? I don't want to have it. Banner example. Okay. That's so bad. That's very, very bad. Yeah, I don't know if I want to implement that, to be frank, because I just removed all the storyboards from all my personal projects, and basically all that they can offer that is implementation like that. I don't know. I wanted to implement that. I wanted to implement those native ads and native ad kind of banners just to test it, kind of first. For is there really so big difference as other kind of developers are saying? Because other indie developers has kind of big success with those adaptive banners, not adaptive but native banners. And yeah, I just don't know. Is it really so great? Is it not? Wanted to test, but yeah. I'm not kind of ready go back to the storyboards just to test that. I'm not sure about that. Probably I will not do that. Okay, whatever. So if I'm not doing that, I don't know, maybe I will do, but I need to kind of dig deeper into that and kind of look for more kind of examples. It's midnight already, I kind of feel a little bit too tired for that today. So anyways, if I will be able to do that in a day, then I will do that just to test it in my test project to see if the difference really is so big. To be able to report back, kind of to do follow-up to my email and YouTube video. We'll see. Let me check, do we have anything else to do? Okay. Yeah, and I actually implemented already all of those in iOS 17 branch. I already removed all the ads and added my own kind of banner. So what else we can do? Migrate to store date, Swift date, and not tonight. Deep kit, not critical. Store kit views. Yeah, actually I need to play around a little bit more with paywalls. And to be able, probably we need to implement those revenue cat experiments. Revenue cat. How they do the documentation. Overview. Okay. They have experiments. No. Experiments. Oh, how they name those? A/B testing maybe? Here it is. Experiments. Experiments are available for pro and enterprise customers. Am I pro? I don't know. Those are things that I would like to test. But again, it's too late to start it. Okay. I just will add link to the documentation. You speak Romanian? No, I don't. Well, let me say so. If I would live long enough in the country, probably I could at least pretend. Because when I was in Bulgaria, I know, different country, different language, but anyways, in countries which kind of has this kind of Slavic languages, that's how you say it, Slavic, Slavianic, I don't know. It's kind of relatively easy to understand something. For example, I do not speak Ukrainian, but I can understand partly. I do not speak Polish, but I can understand partly. I can speak fluently in Russian. Okay, maybe not fluently, but quite well. That's it, yeah. Yeah, English, of course, and of course my native language, Latvian. Yeah, but that's probably it. I will stop on work here. I will not do anything else. Those ad mods, that's kind of those ads. That's kind of sad because it's midnight already. I'm getting sleepy. It's too late to do something more challenging. Oh, that sounds like tomorrow's problem. So yeah, Mandel, I could read maybe something. In Bulgaria, I was able to read, something on shops and I don't know, signs on streets, something. Not everything was clear to understand, but partly I was able to understand because some words are quite similar. Yeah, okay. I will wrap up that stream here. Sorry, didn't build anything. Sorry for myself. Sorry for you. Sorry to you. Planned to implement those ads, but that's definitely not tonight's problem. I'm not going to build storyboards inside SwiftUI applications. That's just crazy man's talk. I don't know what they are doing. The documentation looks like didn't touch it for years from Google's side. Hey, Prasanna, hello. Come to India for your vacation. It's colorful and diverse land. Very good for creative people. Yeah, I would like. I definitely will travel to India one day. Not this year, but one day I will go definitely. It's in my to-do list to visit. I don't know. I never visited India, but I kind of like movies. I like music. It's kind of, yeah. It looks interesting and nice from distance. I don't know how it is from inside, but yeah, that's an interesting country. I will visit for sure. Okay, I'm wrapping up chat here. So I will be in vacation until August, so no streams, but I will keep posting content on all the other socials. YouTube videos may be expected, shorts definitely, and yeah, I will be around on Twitter and Instagram threads, all that stuff. When I will be back? I will be back on first weeks of August. I'm August 5th or 6th, I don't remember, something like that. Basically, I will be back at work on second week of August. Okay, see you all after vacation. Wrapping stream right here. Have a great rest of July and very beginning of the August.